What we've been talking about is in New York, we wanted to keep the numbers at 1% or below. We're above that right now at 1.8%. But here in Staten Island, they're seeing a spike of 3%. We're talking 1.5 times more than what we're seeing in other places. It's not where they want to be right now. And so they are going to blanket this borough with volunteers, with testing, and yes, handing out a lot of masks.
We have one last chance to stop a second wave. It's as simple as this. This is my message to all New Yorkers today. We can stop a second wave.
After months of keeping COVID positivity rates low, Mayor Bill de Blasio warning New York City could easily be swept up in the growing second wave that has hit parts of New Jersey and Connecticut.
Now, unfortunately, we're seeing a real growth in the positivity rate in this city, and that is dangerous.
Positivity levels in New York City have now exceeded 2%. And while fighting clusters in Brooklyn and Queens proved successful in recent weeks through the governor's targeted and color-coded initiative, new hotspots are popping up.
We're watching the numbers, and any place we can do bigger microclusters, smaller microclusters, anywhere where we think it's justified, we'll do a microcluster. This is going to be the constant for the foreseeable future.
The city's health department now releasing updated COVID-19 data through its website. Numbers broken down by zip code. Staten Island today will get extra attention to fight back against the swelling numbers.
Every single New Yorker, every single Staten Islander that comes out and gets tested on Tuesday, you have strengthened our ability to win that fight. Now, what we're going to be doing in Staten Island on Tuesday is we're going to have 75 volunteers and staff roving around the island.
And in addition to free testing that can be found all over Staten Island, today they're going to have testing right at the ferry terminal. So when you get on your ferry, when you come off your ferry, just pop on over and you can get the free testing. They're also handing out masks and reminding all of us that this is the best way to fight back. Even if you're more than 6 feet away, keep a mask on. The New York Times finding that this is spiking in workplaces and construction sites across New York City. Reporting live this morning from St. George's at the ferry terminal, I'm Kirsten Cole, Pix 11 News.